out here at the Grand Canyon, and I'm at a little pull-off spot where I just get some shade and get a drink of water and chill out for a little bit. When I first saw the Grand Canyon, I'd never seen it before in person. But when I first saw the Grand Canyon, it took my breath away at just how huge it is. It's crazy. Even when I'm driving down the road right now, and I've been looking at it all morning, even when I'm driving down the road and get glimpses of it, it's a, oh my God, like how big that could just swallow you up, you know? But it made me stop and think about our life. And I don't think we were given life in order to see how long we can live. I think we were given a life to see how much we can live, how big we can live, what kind of an impact can we make. I think that's what we were given a life for. Some people say that the universe just happens. There's nothing you can do about it. But that's not true. We are part of the universe, and our doing anything is what the universe is doing. And kabow! Joe butter. But really peppered. I didn't tell you I was cooking on a bear box. Here at Lake Tahoe, California. I always hold on to the handle when I'm stirring things because these little stoves They tip over real easy. We're having redneck bacon and eggs in the morning. Drinking adult beverages. I go to the grocery store and try and just buy one meal. Try. This stuff will last longer cooked than it will raw.